Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys love this easy tutorial and everyday eye makeup look. Let me know down below if you guys want eye tutorials on Mondays, and I got you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. The palette that I'm using is by Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I love this palette, you guys. So I'm using Riff on my crease just all over, as you guys can see, and I have a little bit of tape so I can get this look really nice, clean, and precise. Then I'm taking this orange color and I'm applying that under that Riff color, just applying it in a swiping motion as well. Then grabbing this darker shade, which this one is called Punk, and I'm applying that in the outer corner of my lid, smoking that out. In that same shadow, and I'm using an angle brush, and I'm going to use it as an eyeliner. I think this method helps a lot to, learn to do your eyeliner with liquid. So I'm going to wing it out and in. I'm also going to be applying it at the bottom, smoking it out, grabbing that Baja color and applying it at the bottom, just to make it look nice and balanced. So expect to see this mascara more, you guys, because I've been loving it. It makes my lashes look super long, my top and bottom lashes. Yes, one lash that does both things, you guys. I freaking love it. So I will link it down below, but it's by Revlon. It's affordable, drugstore, all the deal. So now I'm applying a white eyeliner on my lid, and there you guys have it. I hope you guys love this look. Super easy, quick and simple. Let me know if you guys want makeup tutorials like this, just eyes on Mondays, and I got you, girl. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.